Hi everyone! In today's video, we are going to talk about a very interesting topic: how learning English changed our lives.
We will share our personal experiences and also give you some useful tips that can help you in your own English learning journey.
So, let's begin our conversation. We hope this will inspire and motivate you to keep learning English.
Sarah, let me ask you the first question. How was your life before you learned English?
Well, to be honest, it was very limited. I always wanted to grow, to travel, and to meet new people. But my weak English made me feel shy and less confident. I avoided speaking in public because I thought people would laugh at me.
I can totally understand that. I felt the same. I remember missing many opportunities just because I couldn't express myself in English.
Exactly. I also missed some good job offers. One time I went for an interview, but when the interviewer asked me questions in English, I froze. I couldn't say anything. It was one of the most embarrassing moments of my life.
That sounds tough. So, what made you decide to learn English seriously?
One day, I saw a video online where someone explained how English can open doors to the world. That video changed my thinking. I made a plan, joined an institute, and started learning step by step. What about you?
For me, it was a dream to speak like those confident people on TV. I didn't want to be left behind. I started watching English shows with subtitles. I wrote down new words and practiced speaking every day.
That's a great way to start. Many learners think English is hard, but it becomes easier when we enjoy the process.
Yes. I also remember the first time I spoke English in front of a group. My hands were shaking. I was nervous, but I did it. And the feeling after that was amazing.
That's so true. Once you speak and someone understands you, it gives you real motivation. Do you think English helped you in your career?
Absolutely. English changed my career. I started my own YouTube channel, English with Altaf. And today I teach thousands of people how to speak English. This wouldn't be possible if I hadn't learned the language.
I also started getting better jobs. My confidence improved. I could give presentations, write emails, and even speak to foreign clients. I feel more independent now.
It's amazing how a language can change our personality and thinking. Learning English made me more open-minded. I started reading English books, watching international documentaries, and learning about different cultures.
Same here. I started making friends from other countries. Before learning English, I could only talk to people from my area. Now I can talk to anyone from anywhere.
It's like a new world opens when we learn a new language. And English is a global language, so it gives us more chances in life.
Many people ask me, is it too late to learn English? What do you say to them?
I say, it's never too late. I've seen people in their 50s and 60s learning English. If you have the will, you can do it. Age is not a barrier.
That's right. And even if you learn one word a day, in 1 year you'll know 365 new words. Small steps make a big difference.
So true. Let's share some tips with our viewers who want to change their life by learning English.
Sure. My first tip is listen to English every day. It can be a podcast, a short story, or a YouTube video. Even 15 minutes daily will help.
That's a good one. My tip is speak English as much as you can. Don't worry about mistakes. Just speak. The more you speak, the more you improve.
Another tip is write something every day. It could be your daily routine, your goals, or your feelings. Writing helps you remember vocabulary and grammar.
And I would say, find a speaking partner. It could be a friend or someone online. Practice conversations like we are doing right now.
Good advice. Also, keep a notebook for new words. Try to use those words in your own sentences.
Let me add one more tip. Be patient. English is not something you learn in 1 week. It takes time, but it's worth it.
Definitely. I always tell my students, if I can do it, so can you.
That's a beautiful message. Now let's talk about how English changed our confidence level.
It changed everything for me. I used to stay quiet in social gatherings. Now, I can start a conversation, give opinions, and even host events.
Same here. Before English, I was a very quiet person. Now I can speak in seminars, teach live classes, and answer questions confidently.
Confidence comes with practice. Every time we use English, we grow a little more.
And the best part is, we become examples for others. People see us and think, if they can do it, maybe I can too.
That's true. Let's never stop learning. English is a journey, not a destination.
Well said, Sarah. So, to all our viewers, don't give up. Keep learning. Your life can also change through English.
Yes, and believe in yourself. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to try.
Let's end this video by quickly telling what we have learned today.
Today, we talked about how learning English changed our lives personally, socially, and professionally.
We shared our stories, the challenges we faced, and how we overcame them.
We also gave useful tips for English learners, like listening daily, speaking without fear, and writing regularly.
And most importantly, we reminded you that it's never too late to learn. English can really change your life.
Thank you for watching this video. We hope our story helps you in your journey.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English with Altaf. See you in the next video.
Take care and keep learning. Goodbye.